Republic Day is a significant moment in India history. 26 January is celebrated as Republic Day in our country. On this day in 1950, the constitution of our country was formally adopted and India became a fully sovereign state. The fundamental law of the country, the constitution, was enacted out of the diligence and hard work of great men like Mahatma Gandhi and the numerous freedom fighters who fought and sacrificed their lives for the independence of our country. So the 26th of January was declared a national holiday and has been recognized and celebrated as the Republic Day of India ever since. History. After independence, the country did not have any self made official constitution. Instead, its laws were based on modified colonial acts, so establishing an official constitution for our own country was the almost task in front of the government of India. Our constitution is the result of the hard work and struggle of the esteemed members of the constitution assembly under the presidency of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Ambedkar was the father of our constitution. After deeply studying the various constitutions of other countries, our founding fathers framed our constitution, and it is the lengthiest constitution in the world. It reflects upon the dedication and foresight of these great men. That is how the Constitution came into being. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to complete the Constitution, though it was enacted and adopted by the Constitution Assembly on 26 November 1949. It came into force on 26 January 1950. Significance of 26 January. It is to be noted that January 26 had a great significance in India struggle for Swaraj. The Congress session at Lahore on December 29, 1929 had passed a resolution declaring Purna Swaraj as India goal. It was also decided that the 26th of January should be observed all over India as Purna Swaraj Day. The complete Independence Day was for the first time celebrated on January 26, 1930. It continued to be so observed until 1947. On achieving independence, August 15 became on Independence Day. January 26, however, marked a great event in India's struggle for freedom. It was therefore in the favor of all that January 26 should be selected as the date of commencement of the new constitution. Therefore, this day is celebrated as a day of national significance with great joy and pride. How is Republic Day celebration? Indians celebrate Republic Day with great jubilation and joy all over the country. The day honors India's constitution as an independent nation. Schools and colleges hoist the national flag and Republic Day. Cultural events celebrating India's struggle for independence are organized across the country. The President of India hoists country the nation flag at India Gate in New Delhi. In New Delhi, the most precious parade take place on Rajpath, and Indian president conduct the parade, which is coordinated by the Ministry of Defense. The events not only displays India's military powers but also promote its diverse culture. In addition, the event pays tribute to those who have sacrificed their lives for the country. India Prime Minister honor the martyrs by placing on ringlet at India Gates Amar Jawan Jyoti. The ceremony continues with the 21 gun salute, national anandam, and casting of the national flag. As a result, the brave soldiers are presented with the Paramavir Chakra, Asoka Chakra, and Veer Chakra, children and ordinary citizens who have shown courage in difficult circumstances are also recognized with awards. Those who receive a gallantry award salute the president in gratitude. Then India military powers is on display. There is also a march past that the armed forces, police, and national cadet corps take part in, during which the President of India is saluted by these regiments when the fighter jets of the Indian Air Force fly past Janabat. The ceremony concludes. The Republic Day celebrations are held across the country, but Delhi is the center of the largest celebration. Every year, millions of people have the opportunity to watch a live webcast of the Republic Day parade. Video on demand is made available after the event as a way to view the exclusive footage. The flag is also unfurled in the state capitals, though on a similar scale, where the governor unveiled the flag at district headquarters, subdivisions, talukas, and panchayats. The celebration take place in a similar manner. The official end to the Republic Day celebration is beating the retreat, which takes place after all of the celebration are over. From 26th to 29th, the government building are beautifully lit in glittering lights. On January 29, the third day after Republic Day, the beating retreat ceremony is held. During the drummers perform solo performances. The bands march back playing the popular martial tune Sare Jahan Si Acha. At exactly 6 p.m., the national flag is lowered and the national anthem is sung, marking the end of the Republic Day celebration. Conclusion. Republic Day is celebrated with much enthusiasm in India. We should remember the long journey to freedom and the struggles of forefathers to transform the country into a sovereign nation. It is a day for all Indians to celebrate the essence of liberty and help India accomplish its freedom fighters' dreams. In celebration of Republic Day, citizens are encouraged to display their patriotism and pride. The students pledge to live as good citizens and help make their country a happier and more peaceful one.